Hi, and welcome to the Trenton Free Public Library's Adult Art Club. I'm Mimi McBride.
And I'm Damaris.
And this month we're going to be painting fans
Woo!
to keep you cool during August. Yes, the heat's coming. We're going to try and stay cool.
Yep.
And
Wow,
so we're
look
here.
at that action. Look at that hair.
Yeah,
Woo!
they're actually pretty.
They're actually
decent.
good.
Yeah.
Like to go to church, to be waiting in a line somewhere, to be in the car that the air conditioner is broken, or just to be on your porch, even grilling, anywhere.
Yeah.
And look, they're so small.
Yep, I had this in my back pocket earlier, so it's real compact.
It really is, and it's really cute. And this is our project for today.
This is the project.
Woo!
So, in your art kit, you're going to have obviously the fan, and you're going to have some paint. You're going to have another strip of the paint pot,
Yes.
and you're going to have some paintbrushes.
Yes,
And-
two. A fine tip and a broad tip.
Yeah, broad. And that's it. And after that, you're on your own. You can. What we did was we sketched out our own little. Like, I don't think you'd be able to see it, but there is some sketching on ours. So, and if you want to do that, you can sketch your own design, your own little landscape if you want, or
Very careful.
oh yes, if you do draw on it. Draw very lightly. You don't
Very,
want to
very
puncture
lightly.
it because
Yup.
that's going to then ruin the whole thing.
And nothing super sharp. No pencil super sharp, because I was sketching. You see, I poked through it.
Oh, yeah.
You see?
Yeah.
So nothing really pointing. A pencil that's dull will do the trick.
And if you don't want to sketch anything and you just want to paint in different colors, you can go ahead and do that.
Freehand.
But so, yep, that's pretty much it for the explanation, and I guess we're going to get started.
Yep, let's get started. I really want my fan to be really unique. I know you guys can't see it, but you will see it when I start coloring it. I made mine a taco. It has a taco over here with a cute little face, and it says "Let's eat." But my background, I want it to be super colorful. I wanted to have cheese bits, some lettuce, some tomato. So it's going to be nice and colorful. Take your time. Get yourself something to drink that you enjoy drinking. And put some music on, or have a good friend to talk to, because this is going to take some time.
Yeah.
This is going to be a labor of love. It is.
But it's going to look so cool.
And
once
it's going to
you're
be
done.
amazing. And hopefully we'll get to see somebody's.
Yeah, so if you want rainbow colors, you probably want these colors.
Yes. And my taco
And I'm
is
going to need some blues and stuff.
blues. Do you want purples?
Yes, please.
Do you want some gold or brown?
I'm gonna need. Either.
I'm gonna need the brown for the meat, but that's later.
Okay. Not brown. I don't need brown, but the gold for the sun, I guess.
Don't need.
I'll
Don't you
ru-
need some white too?
Yes, but I figured I'd probably do the cloud after I do the background,
Yup.
so in case I paint over it.
Alright,
so not all of these are open.
yeah, these are our new pack. Sorry. What do I want to start with first? So I know you should start with your background first, and then work your way to your sketch. But you know, I like breaking the rules.
Damaris does what she wants to do.
So I'm gonna do what I want to do, and I'm gonna paint my taco first. Watch it. Watch me regret it. But you know what? I'm gonna stick to it. So let me put
One way to learn.
Yeah. And sometimes, you know, it's happy accidents. They'll be like, "Oh my God, it's so nice," and I'll be like, "Yeah, it wasn't supposed to look like this at all, but thank you."
It's not open either.
Ow, these are hard. You're getting the lucky ones. The ones that you have to open. I'm getting the ones that are hard with the paint stuff. Oh, God. So let us know if you guys are enjoying the projects, enjoying coming to the library and using all our cool stuff. Or you guys enjoying the summertime, let us know. Oh wow. Oh, that's nice. I was worried. I'm not even gonna sit here and lie. I was worried that it wasn't gonna grip right.
Oh, okay, yeah.
The paint.
I was wondering about that too.
I was like, oh no, it's gonna make it, Make sure that you guys are not applying it too thick. Like if you are, brush it, because remember, these are paper. Have in mind, the more you wet it, the more crumbly it looks. Like that wet.
Yeah, it might get really, I don't know what you would call it, but that wivery look.
Yeah, that wet look. It's all wet.
So in the meantime, I did bring down the bag that, that people can enter to win. This bag.
Let's see that awesome bag. Ooh, that's a cute bag.
Because we are currently doing the summer reading, and the adults do have their own, I don't know.
Challenge.
Right, there you go, challenge. So if you enter into it and you read 2 books, you get entered into a drawing for a little canvas bag.
Ooh.
And with, New Jersey not having bags at the store anymore, who would want to lose a chance to get a free bag?
Bags cost $2 right now, you know that, right?
Oh jeez.
Yeah, I do reusable bags.
Yeah,
but you see, and you could go in style representing the library. Who wouldn't want to use that?
Exactly. So,
and it's free.
But then beyond that, for every 2 books that you read, you'll be entered for a grand prize. It's a Visa gift card.
Ooh.
So yeah, come on, start reading.
That sounds amazing. Let's see who wins it. We'll announce it, right?
Oh yeah.
All right.
Remember last year we made all those videos?
Yes, we did.
What are the kids watching?
Today is movie night. There's a showing at 2. There's a showing at 5. And I picked Kung Fu Panda today.
Ooh.
Yep, so we're watching number 1 and we're watching number 2. Right now, number 1 just started.
Mm-hmm.
But that's it. And the paint is actually really good too. It's good paint. Not runny or anything.
Yeah, I do like our paint.
It's nice and it's a good paint. You could tell.
I love how the wood has all these holes. It makes it look really cool.
Yes. It's very pretty. It's a very pretty fan. We could show off. Watch a lot of people want to know, where did we get these? How did we do these? I'm going to show off with this. When you see a lady walking in the library with a fan, it's going to be me. I'm going to be walking
Unless
around.
It's me.
Yep, just us too. No one else has them. Not yet, anyway. You guys will have it. You will be the next ones to have it.
Yours looks awesome.
Yee! Look at that, guys. It's starting to get there, but you see it takes some time, with some effort, with some love, and not too much shaking in the hand. Because the shaking in the hand shows. Look at that. You could show. But I'm going to do the blending technique on mine when it's dry. And when it come in again. I might put some white clouds in it.
Mm-hmm.
But we'll see. I'm trying. I think we're going to need to leave it like that for now. What time is it?
2:57.
Yeah. All right. So as you can see, Mimi was able to finish hers. Mine is far from it. I haven't done the letters. I haven't finished up the taco. I haven't done any of the paper at the bottom. I mean the wood. But yeah, it's looking good as you
Yeah,
can
they're
see.
coming along.
They're
Whoop.
coming along. We're gonna come back to you when everything is done, and we're gonna take pictures and everything. But right now,
We're going to take a break.
yes.
Bye.
Hey.
So we're back. It took a couple of days of us working on it, so it's a few days later, and we're changed and everything.
And we look different.
But yeah, we finished our fans, and if you have finished yours and it's stuck, you're not getting it to fold right, don't worry, just work at it. It
Yes.
will come apart.
Just take your time because it is very delicate. This is a paper fan that we just painted.
Yes, and
So-
the wood is pretty thin too.
Yes,
so-
and it's wood. It's not plastic. Because we could feel it. We could see it. They can't.
yeah, that's true.
Mhm,
Yeah, it's
mhm.
wood.
It's wood. It's a good fan. Like we were just talking about it, that it's a good fan for church. It's a good fan to be at the park, going to the concert, because you could just close it up easily, gentle,
Yep, and it's
and just put it away in your back pocket or in your pocketbook. Look how thin it is.
yeah, exactly. It'll fit in places nicely.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, I think they came out nicely. I hope yours do too. You can always,
Yes.
oh look, it matches my shirt.
Wow. And I look like a flamingo then.
So if you want to come in and show us your fans how they came out, that would be great.
Yes. Let us know what you think. Let us know what designs you went with. As you can see, Mimi went with a very beautiful sunset with some birds, some clouds, and then I went with a taco.
It looks so cute. I love your taco.
Let's eat.
Let's eat.
All right, so I hope you're enjoying your summer, and I hope you get to use these because it is very hot and humid, and show it off. And they be like, "Yo, where do you got that cool fan?"
And you can be like, I made it.
I made it. Yeah, I made it. How much did it cost you? It was free. Where? At the Trenton Free Public Library. Yeah.
You got it.
Yes. All right, guys. Let us know what you think, and thank you for stopping on by and coming to pick up some art crafts.
Yep.
All right.
Bye.
Bye. Special guest, Ms. Love.
You.